Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Isingoma Triumph. So today I come to take you through the Mendeley installation. So now here you go on your Google Chrome, you type in Mendeley. So as you see, it is 1.19.8. so you tap on it slightly and then maybe come here. As you see, you also tap here again. Then after there you come here on Mendeley desktop. Remember, this is what we want, download. So you tap on it again. So you see, as you see here, the download will come, shows us that it's already downloading. So we have already started downloading our Mendeley. So just let us wait for the installation. So after downloading it, we shall see that it will automatically come on your desktop. So as you see, so after it coming on your desktop, then here you come, they will bring you some information, maybe welcome to Mendeley. Then you'll have to sign in. So we shall see that email, they are requesting for the email. So let's try to put the email. As you see now, I've logged in my email and then the password. So I will have then to register. So this is how we register. Tap on register. So after registering, then it will automatically open. So our Mendeley has opened. So here they are telling you, maybe let's wait. So you can search for any article you would wish to use, like maybe let me try sex education in Uganda. So when I try to search about it, as you can all see, it has already brought the results. So this is how we sign in for Mendeley. So Mendeley does many things you can use for citing, and maybe that one I'm going to teach it to you in the next video, which I'm going to make, so you can come and cite anything. As you all see, you can maybe come and you scroll and maybe you add to library. So I'll be showing you the rest of the information in my next video. So that's how we download, we register. Now I'll be going back maybe to show you after, maybe when you have cited, then you come here. After registering, you sign in. So as you see, I've signed in and it has automatically opened. Now I think you can now see all the things I've been citing from the other side. They are all here, so they have been added to the library. So I can scroll maybe to see all the things I've cited. So when you cite in, that's what you see. So that's how we download our Mendeley, then we register, we sign, and we do each and everything. So that's also in my next video. I'll be coming and then talking about the Mendeley for citation. I'm going to show you how we reference and do each and everything. Thank you very much. I remain Isingoma Triumph. Please subscribe, like, follow my channel for more information and details. God bless you all.